The name of the Almighty God solemnly inform that he will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, that he will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
I, Chebagada Stanley, swim in the name of the Almighty God, solemnly affirm that I will give faithful services so Budana BLC1 village and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established.
I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, that I will
I swear in the name of the Almighty God.